Jubala and friends of Lorato TV, and today's video we will be looking at business visa, who qualifies for this visa, how to apply for this visa, the document needed, how long will it take for a visa to be ready, the costs involved, where you can apply for this visa, and many more. Join the journey by subscribing to our channel so that together we can spread love in the world. Like, comment, share this video. Let us dive in. The business visa is normally issued to investors, entrepreneurs, and traders who would like to visit Botswana to explore business opportunities. These business activities may include consulting with business associates, attending scientific, educational, professional, or business conventions or conferences, settling states, and negotiating contracts. It shall be issued for up to 1 year and cannot be extended. The question then is, who is eligible? Or prospective investors, entrepreneurs, or traders who would like to visit and explore business opportunities in Botswana are eligible. How do I get this service? Go to any immigration office of Botswana, embassy, or consulate to fill and submit Form 1. Do that in person. 1. A certified copy of page 1, a passport showing validity period not less than 6 months, 2 recent colored passport size photos, and covering letter indicating the reason for applying. And then the 4th one, flight itinerary and accommodation bookings or residential address in Botswana. And then a re-entry permit to the country where the applicant is ordinarily resident if such a permit is required by that country. A certificate of incorporation in Botswana if applicable, business plan, trading license, a schedule for meetings or business activities, business in other countries, and personal bank statement. Check the outcome of your application from the office where the application was submitted after 7 working days to see whether you are approved or rejected. If the visa application is approved, it will be printed at the office where the application was made, or if not printed, you can still travel with the approval letter as a proof of a visa to Botswana, and the visa will be printed at the airport or immigration ports of entry. Take note, if possible, make sure your visa is printed out before starting your journey to avoid long hours of waiting at the port of entry. How long will this service take? It takes 7 working days. How does it cost? I made a video of all the prices. Tap the video link up there for the latest visa prices. Where can I obtain this service? All regional immigration offices, district immigration offices, mission abroad, Department of Immigration and Citizenship, Ministry of Nationality. Opening hours 7:30 to 12:45, and then 1:45 to 4:30 Monday to Friday, except public holidays. The contacts are displayed on your screen below. Our next video will be on everything you need to know about tourists and visiting visa. Subscribe to watch that conversation with this beautiful friend of mine here who works at one port of entry. For more information, do you have any question that you would like us to answer with respect to any of the visas? Let us know in the comment section below. What do you want us to create a video on? Let us know in the comment section. I hope I have answered your questions. This family member of us from Angola who asked in the comment section, I plan also to for an interview to interview some foreigners with the same business plan here in Botswana for deeper conversation on the question you asked. Friends, I have started creating videos based on your requests in the comment section. The best way we can keep on creating is through your support. Please don't just watch, tap the like button. The best way the algorithm can suggest this video to other people seeking for this information. Subscribe, comment, and share our videos with friends and loved ones. See you in our next videos. Thank you very much.